Are web visitors bouncing away? Turn them into loyal customers with our powerful chatbot solution. Customers want instant responses. 74% of users expect real-time interactions on websites. With Landbot, you can delight customers while collecting valuable information, all in real time. Imagine cutting response times drastically. Our automated assistants work 24/7, ensuring customer satisfaction like never before. This means happier customers and a stronger brand. With Landbot, launching a chatbot takes minutes. Save time and reduce costs significantly with our user-friendly no-code platform. Create custom chat experiences that match your brand. Use flexible embedding options to integrate seamlessly on your site or share as a full-page experience. What sets us apart? Our unique building blocks let you design sophisticated flows effortlessly. You can also integrate real-time data and analyze conversations for continuous improvement. Join the ranks of marketing, support, and operations teams loving Landbot. Don't wait! Start building your first chatbot now and unlock your website's potential. Visit us today for free resources and start converting your traffic into loyal customers.